Hello everybody, welcome to Tekanda, and today we're going to continue our C course, and we're going to be looking at the topic of if and else statements. We'll soon get into details of what that means. Once again, thank you for joining us, and if you love this video, we talk about technology and also post tutorials on coding. Please give a like up and also subscribe, and let the show begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to say is I'm going to explain what an if and else statement is. If it's just like telling you to do something, and else is like if you don't do that thing, do this other thing, if that makes sense. But I'm going to go into details in what that actually does. But before I start that, I will explain some few things you need to know. You have to know that if can work with less than, can work with greater than, you can work with equals, you can work with equals to, you can work with or. If you're asking where I'm getting this as references from here, as you can also work in not. This is not in coding, but I'll explain what this means in details. So as usual, we'll first create a new project. Console application. Go. Then we'll go to C. Then next, then so if and else. Good. Okay, so if and else, then next, you should set our usual GNU compiler. GNU compiler should be at the beginning. GNU GGC compiler, where are you? Say Nana. See if and else. I've already done this, but I made a mistake there. Okay, so finished. So yeah, automatically generated a file for us. You already know about all these ones. Okay, so this is our studio. Now I'm going to explain what I meant. So what I was talking about is we said that if it's for conditions. So let's say we have, let me give you a reference. If you say int, we know how to do this already. Int a equals to 1, int b equals to 9, int equals to 9. Then you can say if b less than 9, then we put the blocks. I don't know if I've explained it earlier, but when you make a new curly brace and an old one, it's called a block of code. So this one is the starting of a block, this one is the ending of a block. So the way of you listening, arranging your code. So you have to make a new block for the if to execute in. If that makes sense. So we'll make a new block here. Then we'll say printf. Sorry, that's a mistake. You'll say a less than b. Printf. I'm about to do this right. And say we could say print a less than b. So if you build around this, so you printed us, how we can see it, you printed a less than b here. So what I was saying is, we already set the condition, a condition for if. Now we're going to set another for else. So that means if it's not less than b, do this other thing. So we'll say else, do I just write else, then we'll say printf. So for that to be true, a has to be like 10 or something. So we'll say a is not less than b, then b. And if we launch this, a is not less than b is what's printed. So that's the whole concept of if and else. But in our next video, we'll look deeper into it and I'll explain everything you can use to give functions. For example, you can't only use less, you can also use greater than, you can also use equals, you can also use equals to, you can also use not equals to, and I explain what all these things mean in greater details. Once again, thank you for joining us at Techandra, and if you love this channel, please subscribe and also leave a thumbs up so you can get fresh content when it's released. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Goodbye.